Welcome back, everybody. This is JP Trades. Let's give you a quick morning update on Bitcoin. Let's first take a look at our market structure and volume, as those are king in this game. And those are the things you need to pay attention to more than anything. So we see that we have this 4-hour structure coming up. We had that shift here, but we shifted back bullish here. And now we're having that pullback into our demand zone. Hopefully, if you want to continue bullish, then we're looking to target this high or just to make a new high and to continue that trend up. However, we are coming in to this 4-hour low right here. Now, if we are to come into here and wick down and then close back above that low, meaning the candle closes above that low, that will be an SFP. What I would prefer to see is to SFP this, wick into here, and then close above and have a very nice long wick and then continue to the upside. Now we might just get a shallow SFP here and then you close above. That's fine too. However, if you do break this with a large candle close, we are going to have that bearish market structure shift on the 4-hour. So at that point, I would definitely expect these lows to be taken. So it'd be something like that. I would be looking for a trade off of that break. So that is your long idea for an SFP, as well as your short idea. And that's where we are currently. Now let's go down to the 1 hour because we only have 13 minutes left, 13 to 14 minutes left. We could just be having a local SFP here. We close above and then return back up. So we do have that option as well. So let's go back to the 4-hour. Let's take a look at our volume. So we have fallen out of the value area of this range. More of a local range pull. We see that we're hitting the point of control. So we do have some support here. Let's take a range pull from the top down. So we do have a little bit thinner volume here. It's this wick. But on the larger pull, I would like to see for a bullish scenario to come back and regain this value area low. But then you have the point of control that will act as a strong resistance. So at that point, you have to guard your trade. If you're getting in here and buying or longing, you have to guard your trade until you're able to flip that point of control. And then we would be targeting this value area high. However, of course, you do have plenty of resistance in between there. So it might just take some time as you see some resistance getting hit and then go. It might not just go straight up to that. So you have to have some reasonable expectations. I'm going to move this over. Let's check the heat map really quick. So you do have a very large order here at sorry, I'm watching this right now because we are getting a bounce. Let's take a look at this as we are coming into this live. So we are trapping some heavy sellers down here. You have 112 million sellers getting trapped currently. We have some stacked imbalances coming out of this. It could be trying to pull off that SFP right now. So what I was going to say is we do have a very, very large area of liquidity sitting here, a big order. And that is about 111 and a half. So 111,500. Let's see where that is over here. Sorry, that's way high. So that's right around your point of control, around this high. So this, I would be watching this order block and this point of control. Let's actually pull that other volume profile here. Okay. So you do have some, you do have a point of control, which is actually acting as some support right now, as long as it holds. Again, we have 2 minutes left for this candle to close on the 1 minute. I'm sorry, that's 4 hours. 10 minutes on the 1 hour. And you have 2 hours on the 4 hour time frame. So in 10 minutes, we'll see if this actually creates an SFP here. What I would like it to close above the point of control and this low. And potentially we can start playing along there. And in the grand scheme of things, as far as market structure goes, we are looking for this to be the next higher low in the uptrend of this 4 hour leg of structure. So that is what you want to see in the bullish scenario. All right, so that's it for me today. I'll be updating on the VIP Discord as we go along, and hopefully we can catch some trades.